Metal. Hello and good day, kids. It's Todd from Toju Racing. Phoebe's here with us. I thought I'd get her in the opening of this. We got a quick little unboxing video to do here. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. Move the camera over here. Good girl, Phoebe. Yeah. Hope everybody's doing well on this Saturday. It's kind of warm here in the Midwest. That's supposed to allegedly finally break today. We'll see. I don't know. Hopefully it does. They always claim we're going to get rain here in Des Moines, and we don't. We've got two rivers, and a lot of times the weather will just split around the city. It happens all the time. It's kind of weird, but you know. So this is a new box from Carrera Slots. All right. Looks like I got work to do. Holy cow. So I've got a Carrera 917 coming, and my tuning tires shipped. Holy cow. Will you look at the size of these ball gauge tires? Holy buckets. Those are huge. Those are big as the truck tires. Boy, I can't wait till that 917 ships. Thank you. These guys are great. If you haven't worked with Carrera Slots, you can give them a call. They give you all the stuff that you need, you know, via a phone call, which is great. Got a spare Carrera mower because one of them blew up on me. A couple Carson chips. Those are for the Legends cars. And then we got two sets of guardrail and safety fence. They had these in the bargain bin. They've got a few of them in there still if you guys are interested in them. They're actually a really nice product. They clip really well to your track. I will say that adding the binder clips to these when you put them on really does help their stability. So it's not a bad deal. And then, as I mentioned, we've got the digital chip to go into Kurt's old Roadrunner here. Once I feel like sorting all that out, I gotta watch a few videos and figure out how to do that. So, and I'm hoping to get, it's race night here at Skipper Speedway, so I'm hoping I can get these put on. I've got a few things to do. I actually got to get Phoebe a bath. Yesterday when we were outside, she rolled in some raccoon poop and smells like poop. So yeah, that's good. But wow, I can't believe these tires. I hate to go back to that, but man, that Porsche 917, I cannot wait till that gets here. So yeah, and then I'll have to get this one installed and break it in. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do that today or not. Busy day. Anyway, so that's all we got here today from Todd here at Toju Racing. Metal. Everybody be a kid as often as possible, because adulthood's a bunch of change, and responsibility just kind of stinks. You know what I mean? Have fun, race your slot cars. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on, metal.